sometimes I have to pay detective. So we have a 2011 Chevy Cruz, sub 60,000 mile vehicle. Not uncommon for it to have a turbo replacement already, and fairly recently. So it's here for a po299 turbo under boost. And if I had to take my best guess, that this was an eBay or Amazon turbo, not from GM or AC Delco. So if you order this specific for your vehicle, that wastegate will come perfectly calibrated for your car. You put it in, you drive it down the street, you don't have to do anything else.
Well, it looks like they only did the cold side too.
Nah, this gets overheated very fast.
Okay.
So, and then I noticed that the wastegate is indexed. So this is probably not adjusted for the proper boost settings. So Caleb and I, we're gonna take this car for a ride. And I don't know if this was done. This is another used car dealer car. If he had his monkeys do it, or they bought the car this way.
So if that is the case, couldn't you just get the correct calibrated wastegate for the vehicle?
No, so this is adjustable, so we can adjust it. So I think this is only set for 14.5, and this car needs to see a minimum 19 pounds of boost. So we're gonna loosen this, and then Caleb and I are gonna go for a ride, and then we'll pull over and adjust it.
See if those part numbers, you can see if it's for a 2-liter or the 1.5.
It's probably a universal for all of them.
They're like $99 on eBay. You know what I mean? I'm surprised.
No, I know, but if it says
it worked. But you see how shiny and new everything is? This is just going to discolor fast. You can see all the dirt. So this was recent. How recent? Probably within the last month or sooner. Thanks for watching.